This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking one sellable offer and a specific audience. You cannot optimize what is too broad. Once you have that, install tracking, pixel, UTM tags, and at least one conversion event, so you can measure results from day one. Create 4 distinct ad creatives and copy angles and split your initial budget across them to collect reliable data. Make sure to map the customer journey to a single landing page so early metrics reflect real interest. You shift from testing to growth by identifying winners and increasing investment gradually. Once a creative and audience pair consistently converts, double its budget in controlled increments and monitor CPA and ROAS. Use a /B test for headlines, CTA, and landing elements while applying bid strategies and lookalike audiences to expand reach. Make sure to track engagement metrics plus backend revenue so you scale what produces profit, not just clicks. Keep a daily cadence for metric reviews. You finish by locking profitable campaigns into a repeatable system. Allocate steady budgets to proven winners, set guardrails for ROAS and CPA, and automate reporting so you spot regressions fast. Once done, diversify channels and offers to reduce dependency on one audience or platform. If things go wrong, rising CPA, lower conversions, or ad fatigue, pause underperformers, swap creatives, test new landing variants, and tighten targeting. That quick triage usually restores performance before losses compound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.